In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Google Sites. Whether you're looking to enhance your site with a touch of dynamic content, or just want to experiment with new features, integrating animations can truly enrich your site's visual appeal. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to get our animation. Start by heading over to the Lottie Files platform. If you're unfamiliar with Lottie Files, it's a fantastic resource that offers a wide array of animations, many of which are free to use for personal and commercial projects. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate more easily in the future. Next, look for the section labeled Free Community Animations. It's a great starting point because these animations are readily available and easy to browse through. Click on the View More button to unveil a broader selection of animations. Here you'll find many eye-catching choices. Take your time to sift through them and select an animation that best aligns with your site's theme and purpose. Once you've found an animation that you like, click on it to open its page. Now you will want to save it to your workspace. This feature allows you to organize and access your favorite animations quickly. To do this, simply click the Save to Workspace button. This action will also prepare the animation file, making it ready for embedding. Now let's get to the embedding part. On the animations page there is an option to embed HTML. Click the copy icon next to it. This copies the necessary code snippet to your clipboard. With the code ready, it's time to head over to your Google site. In case you're not already logged in, make sure you have access to the Google site where you want to embed the animation. Once you're in editing mode on your site, look for the Embed option. This is usually found in the Insert section of the right-hand menu. Click on Embed and a dialog box will appear. Make sure to select Embed Code because this is where you'll paste the code you copied from Lottie Files. Simply paste it into the provided field and then click Next. This will show you a quick preview of the animation, allowing you to check if it loads and appears correctly. Finally, click Insert to add the animation to your Google site. Position and resize it as needed to fit your site layout, and there you have it. Your Google site now includes a beautifully embedded animation, enhancing both its interactivity and visual appeal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful in bringing your Google site to life with animations.